Now in this pot there is something like 4 liters of water, because it's really, see, I can actually touch the water. So the water is just equal with the leaves, and there's a lot of leaves in here. So the water, I was able to, because this is a big pot, so it has something like 4 liters of water in there, and I am going to bring it to a boil until I can't say half of it, but until at least a liter is gone, and then just remain with something like 3 liters. And that is going to be the tea that we are going to use. You can also repeat it, because the leaves will still be useful even after you remove the first tea out of the boiling of the leaves. So now I'm bringing this to boil, and I'm going to give this, because this is really huge. This is a big pot. It's not like a few leaves that you can just boil for like 10-15 minutes. But I'm going to have this boil to like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then I'll definitely come back to you, show you how the tea is going to look like, and how we process it, how we preserve it, and how we use it every morning. Thank you very much. And right now, you can see the fire on the lid, and it's just boiling. We are going to leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. To really sieve out all of the juice from the leaves, and then we have that blended to have also the concoction for the face that we are going to use for spots and acne and eczema or whatever other skin infection we have, because it is also good, very very good for any skin infection.